Hello and welcome to Math Stumpers. Today's problem reads, if you were having a party with 3 people, how would you cut a pizza so that everybody got the same size piece? Write the fraction A. We're going to use the square and the circle below to demonstrate a easy mistake that sometimes we make in math when it comes to fractions and dividing things into pieces. A lot of times when we say divide a shape into pieces, here's a mistake. Here's the first thing we like to do a lot of times. We say, okay, I'm going to split it in half. We'll do the same thing with the circle over here. And sometimes this works, but we don't always have to go 1/2 first. Matter of fact, if we went 1/2 first in this picture, it would be very difficult for us now, and I would say probably impossible for us to now find 1/3 in either of these pictures. So sometimes the first line that we make is not going to be to divide it in half. So this may be something you haven't seen before. If we want to divide something into thirds, we don't really want to think about the middle. So with my square, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a little bit less than half on one side, and I'm going to go to the other side and go a little bit less than half. Now my drawing is not perfect because I'm drawing this with my finger, but that gives you an approximate idea of what thirds look like in a square. In a circle, it's slightly different from that. The Y shape is basically what we want to use when we think about making something into thirds with a circle. So I'm going to make a very wide Y. So I'm going to make a line going to the middle. I'm going to start on the other side and make a line going to the middle. And then when they connect, I'm going to go straight down. And if you look at that, that's pretty close. I could be a little bit wider at the top to having 3 equal pieces. So the first 2 are examples of what we're not doing when we want to make thirds. At the bottom are 2 examples. And the name of this fraction, if we talk about one of those pieces, is 1 out of 3 pieces. And that's what 1/3 really means, 1 out of 3. Is that what you got? I hope you did. If not, remember, it's about the process. See you next time.